welcome back to my channel. This is a hair care video where I'll be talking about a hair mask which I tried a couple of days ago. It's like one solution for most of your hair problems. So let's get started. We need 3 ingredients in order to make this hair mask. So the first ingredient we are talking about is curd. Curd is rich in calcium and protein, so it is going to make a lot of difference to your hair when applied. And main reason I have taken curd is that it is going to act as a base for this mask. So in order to make that paste-like consistency, I'm taking curd here. And as I said, it's very beneficial to your hair. So I'll tell you how it is going to be beneficial for your hair. Firstly, it reduces hair fall. So there are many reasons why we end up with the hair fall issue. It might be hormonal imbalance, or it might be due to pollution, or it might be due to the lifestyle we are living, or the stress, etc. And plus one more reason we often forget is that our hair also needs some nutrition. So if there is any deficiency in that, that is also going to affect our hair, and we are going to end up with the hair fall issues. So when you apply curd to your hair, as I said, curd is rich in calcium and protein. So it is going to add all these goodness to your hair. So thus curd is going to help you with saying bye-bye to your hair fall issue. Second, hair conditioning. When the hair is dry, frizzy and brittle, it is going to end up in hair breakage, which is ultimately hair fall kind of an issue. So when you add curd to your hair, when you apply curd to your hair, it is going to act as a natural conditioner to your hair. It is going to add that hydration to your hair. So bye-bye frizziness. Thirdly, dandruff. Dandruff is mostly caused due to fungal infections. And when the scalp is itchy or flaky, that is what is going to result in dandruff. So ultimately it's not a good news for your hair, right? So in order to treat dandruff, curd is a simplest solution. So if you apply curd to your hair, it will act as a antifungal agent. So it is going to make sure that there is no fungal reaction or any activity on your scalp. So it is making sure that your scalp is healthy, and in turn your hair is healthy. Next, curd adds shine to your hair. We all love shiny and healthy bouncing hair. So if you want to add shine to your hair, curd is the simplest solution. Second ingredient I'm going to talk about is something which you can apply directly as a mask, or you can mix it with other ingredients to add more benefits to your hair. So the ingredient I'm talking about is onion juice. When it comes to hair, onion juice is nothing less than a magic potion. So it has a lot of benefits to provide to your hair. I have made a separate video for it, and I'm going to link that video up above here. You can click on it and watch that video, because in that video I have given a demo of how to squeeze out the onion juice, how to apply, and I have listed down all the benefits of onion juice over there. So please do watch that video. Yes, it's kind of a self-promotion, but it's worth watching. Now let's talk about last but definitely not the least ingredient, that is Bhringraj powder. Bhringraj powder is widely used in Ayurveda, so basically to treat all kind of hair related issues, even certain health related issues. Bhringraj powder, it has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. So they are the things which are going to help us with treating our hair issues. So let's talk about this. Firstly, it helps in preventing hair loss. So when we apply Bhringraj powder to our scalp, so it is going to stimulate our hair cells. So that is in turn is going to increase the blood circulation. So thus it is going to promote healthy hair growth. Secondly, to treat dandruff issues. So as I said, Bhringraj powder has antimicrobial property, and you already know that dandruff is something related to fungal reaction. So when we apply Bhringraj powder to our scalp, so with the antimicrobial property, it is going to make sure the dandruff issue is the end to that issue. So it is going to help out with clear scalp or the healthy scalp. Next, it helps in preventing hair thinning and premature graying. Bhringraj powder is full of vitamins and antioxidants. So when we apply Bhringraj powder to our hair, it is going to help with preventing hair thinning, and with like consistent usage, it is going to restore your natural color of your hair. So yes, we need to be consistent in order to see these results. How to prepare? Easy. You need to mix all these three ingredients and to make a paste-like consistency so that the application is easy. So once the paste is formed, you just need to apply it all over your scalp, because we are targeting our scalp with this hair mask. So you need to apply this mask all over your scalp and leave it like for 15-20 minutes minimum. Then wash your hair with regular shampoo and water. So I did try it, and my hair was hydrated and it was shiny right after the use, with one single use. And with all other issues, in order to see the visible results of that, I need to be consistent. I need to use it multiple times. I am going to do that. And Bhringraj powder, it's powder like consistency, right? And you might be having this question whether it's easy to wash. Yes, it is very easy to wash. If at all there is any leftover, there is no need to worry. Once your hair is dry, you can just comb your hair and the powder will fall off. So it's that easy, it's not at all messy. So I hope you find this hair mask useful. Do try it at home and let me know how you find that hair mask. And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.